Today I will make a crispy wonton.
That's racist, Dee.
How? If I do it for the Indian?
That's racist.
Okay, I want to do it again.
Okay.
Today I will
That's racist.
How is that racist?
You're making fun of Chinese
But I do
people.
it with the Indian.
Okay.
Today I will make a crispy wonton. Okay, I'm gonna start. No, I'm kidding. Now I...
No, Dee.
Okay, I'm gonna start by putting about a tablespoon of butter into my pan and giving that a quick drizzle, snizzle. And then to that melted butter, I am gonna add 1 chopped onion. And I'm going to basically just fry that up until the onion's translucent. I've told you guys the secret about onion. You know that onion is cooked because it cooks in stages, and once it's translucent, then you can add the garlic. Okay, as you can see, my onions are a little bit on the brown side, so it's the perfect time to add my garlic. This is about 3 cloves of garlic because I'm using seafood, and garlic is the best with seafood. It takes away that fishiness and it just gives such a delicious flavor. So we're gonna fry that up with the onion and let everything have that nice brown color to it. Okay, so now that my onion and my garlic is brown, I'm gonna add about a cup of chopped crab sticks. I've never actually cooked with crab sticks before until recently, and when I figured them out and I found them, and they are absolutely delicious. It's such a soft, delicious, rich meat to use, and it's not even expensive. So like crab sticks are like my go-to sticks. So now that my crab sticks have been nice and fried up, I'm gonna add to that about 2 teaspoons of dill. Dill and seafood go very well. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 tub or 250 grams, 1 cup of cream cheese. No, this is not a commercial for Philadelphia, but I actually found this today. It's garlic and croton. What are croton? Herbs. Which, yeah, I mean, food is all about flavor, so why not? Instead of just buying the normal cream cheese, if you get one that has some flavor in it, then great, go for gold. So I'm gonna mix all of this into my crab mixture. I'm gonna give it a quick turn of pepper, and that's it. I'm ready to fill up my wontons. So, here's our piece of wonton wrapper. I'm gonna take about a teaspoon and put it in the center. And then I'm gonna brush 2 sides with my mixture, fold it over into a triangle and seal it up. So easy, guys. And then I'm gonna take these 2 sides, put a little bit more of that mixture of my egg and fold it in on itself and seal it up. Look at that. Yummy, guys. Look at our crispy wontons. Look at the inside. Delish. So you just serve them with some sweet chili sauce. Mmm. Ha. Thank you for watching. We will see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Indeed, that's still racist.